one of the things we're looking on when we conceptualize this thing earlier this month is 40 years since Bob traveled, you know, and the legacy. I mean, I think we use the term loosely in a lot of instances, but Jamaica, the one thing that really pilot Jamaica above all others is the music, right? And so, you know, from your own perspective, talk about Bob's legacy with respect to the music. And Doc, we're going to draw in at this conversation, because this is really what we wanted to use this show to talk about.
Legacy is a kind of big kind of word, you know. It's kind of He's a man from UCLA, see, graduate with honors and all them things. Legacy is one big word. A lot of people I think they missed the boat with Bob when they left on 3 little birds and one dog. Me is a Bob Marley man who deal with Babylon system as a vampire. Bob was a deep revolutionary, but as a poet, I have to write love songs to I'm bringing in. Because the most important album Bob made is the album named Survivor.
Wow.
You understand? And here always is a dangerous man. He make an album named Kaya before that. Well, some of the man say, boy, Rasta gone soft and Ray, but you can't say him soft when he must sing Crisis and Time Will Tell and them kind of thing. But what it did is it brought in a lot of that R&B market. Black people in America where Baba struggled to reach all this time. Yeah. That's why I'm the 9th show at the Apollo Theater in a 4 day. Right? For bringing in them people there. So, Kaya now was a tune where we get some airplay and things on a R&B station, you know, kind of some love song and that kind of suit them. So, he was a clever fisherman. So, once them start listening, him come with the dangerous thing them. Because you can't come with the hard message when them not listen.
True that.
You understand?
True that.
So, in terms of legacy, when there is a unite of all people, but it's a black revolutionary which people just pick up on him now. Because they would rather go with the softer things. Because me and him, we have went for conversation outside when probably would have with the band towards in movement and when I try to do. Because, for example, the Apollo Theater shows, we played 5 nights or 4 nights at the Apollo, 2 shows each night except the first night. The amount of money we're bringing in from that would be equivalent to 1 night at Madison Square Garden. The Bob can pull by himself already. Okay? That is showing them commitment. Because I said to me, never get but me see the black people in the audience. I said, because the black station not playing your music. And the white people, the white college students, we just get paper play from white college radio station and FM station. And then the second thing is black people don't buy tickets till the night of the show. By that time, it's sold out. So I have to show them all things. And when we go in Apollo, we ram Apollo every night, white people still come. The second show will start 10 o'clock, you know, because they now miss them Bob Marley. We visit Ebony Magazine, Ebony Jet Magazine for a whole day. They have never printed anything about Bob Marley until Bob Marley passed away. So that's why Bob has to sing songs like Player and the R&B, want all my people to see. Bubbling on the top 100, just like a mighty dread. So them always just see in that audience. And well, I think them finally come over now 40 years after, which is a pity. So that's a legacy me see that is a man where talk about Africa unite and so much trouble in the world and you know him just deal with the reality and them say 40 years now Bob gone, nothing strange. Nothing changed, nothing strange. Him said that himself. It's just different condition but the same fuckery.
Hi there. If you enjoyed that clip, go on over to our website at yardmedia.com where you can watch the entire broadcast at your leisure. And while you're there, why don't you check out our other reggae music features? And before you leave, pick up some of our Jamaican reggae merchandise, and hey, don't forget to tell your friends.
My name is Garrick, otherwise known as Big G.
My name is Richie Blackford.